Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about the Ethereum ETF that is about to launch tomorrow on the 23rd of July. So I will explain you all my strategy for this event. I will explain you where the Bitcoin price will be going in the next couple of days, weeks and months. I will explain you where the Ethereum price might be going in the next couple of days, and I will also explain to you if the altcoin season will start after this Ethereum launch and when the altcoin season will start. So make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss any important information. And now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the charts. So right now we can see here Bitcoin is sitting at $67,421. Let's quickly go over to the 4-hourly chart here so we can see it more clearly. We can see we already broke out of this heavy resistance zone here around the 67,000, 66,000, and it looks like right now we're going to confirm this zone. We are slightly going down. We touched 68,000 yesterday, which is quite nice news, and now we are retracing down to this resistance zone, and we will probably turn it into a new support zone. That's very likely, and we will probably see Bitcoin price still, pumping already. You can see already it jumped already from this zone, so it looks like a quite a nice sign. You can see here this green candle indicates a nice bounce. So for now we need a little bit more volume, and we need to create a higher high above the $68,000, and then we can expect a new price target for Bitcoin around the $72,000-$73,000, which was the previous all-time high. That's where we're gonna face a little bit of resistance again, and after we can go for even higher price targets like the 81,000 price target that you can see here indicated by the red dotted line. For now, Bitcoin looks quite bullish. We are forming higher lows and higher highs. Quite amazing opportunity here. We also have a double bottom formation here around the $54,000 area, and it looks like for now we are in a very good uptrend, and we don't have big resistances here, so we might go to the $72,000 area very soon. So make sure you don't sell your Bitcoin now for cheap, because Bitcoin will be a $1 million asset in the future. So I try to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I can. I'm not selling any Bitcoin. I'm just buying more and more and holding it for the future. For now, these are my price targets. If we don't manage to hold this zone here around the $65,000 to $67,000 Bitcoin, then the next price target would be the $63,000. That's where we might see the new support zone. I don't think it's likely that we go there, since we have also the Ethereum ETF launching tomorrow. And let's go over to the Ethereum chart and see what is happening here. We can see here Ethereum also sitting on a major resistance zone right here. So once we will break out of this resistance, it also looks a little bit like a cup, not cup and handle, like an inverse head and shoulder formation. So quite nice as well. So we can see some nice movements. You can see here we have one shoulder, here we have the head, and here we're forming the last shoulder. So we might have a parabolic run. Let's quickly see what would be the target of this inverse head and shoulder formation on Ethereum, and from that we take the neck of the head and shoulders formation, and we put it the breakout point, and this will show us that we can go to the $4,100 area, indicated here also from our previous videos at the $4,100. So that's a very likely scenario. We also have the Ethereum ETF starting soon, and once Ethereum will go above the previous all-time high, which was around $4,900, let's quickly go to the weekly chart here so we can see it more clearly. Once we break this formation here, guys, and it looks quite incredible here, and also it looks like we're forming a cup and handle formation here on Ethereum, and the cup and handle formation target would be 7,274. So I think it's very likely that we'll go to this price target very soon. Now it's very important for Ethereum to go above this zone right here and break out of this inverse head and shoulder formation. That will bring us probably above the $4,000 area back again. Now, what would be the retracement zone? The retracement zone will be at around 3,371. That's where we have some support. Now let's take a look at some other tokens here as well, and we can see here Doge almost at 14 cents, guys, and you can see here the opportunities are huge if you are buying the dips, guys. So from the dip, Doge did already 50% from the dip on the 4th of July until now, which is the 22 22nd of July. So we already did in less than 20 days 50%, guys. So 50% is quite a huge profit. As usual funds, they're making 10 to 20% per year, and we can make in the crypto market 20% just in a matter of months. As well as VIF here, VIF almost even higher gains here. We can see went up 91% since the dip, guys. 91%. If you would have bought VIF on the dip, you would have been already up 90% on spot without any leverage. With a 10x leverage, that would have been 910%. So quite amazing opportunities out there in the market. Now let's see what else we have here. We have AVEX back above $32, looks very juicy to me. We have ENS $26, I think also very juicy. It will go probably above the 30 $8 area very soon. So we have MPC, also one of my favorite tokens, and we see also looks on a very nice accumulation zone. Once they will start releasing more updates, I think the price will skyrocket very soon. I also made a video on Instagram that went quite viral, so quite nice. And I also talked about ORC, guys. If you remember, we talked about ORC on Twitter and on Instagram. So ORC making huge gains because ORC is backed by many influencers already, and one of the main ones is DaVinci J15, the man who told you to buy Bitcoin at $1. So this guy is backing this meme coin named ORC, and I'm also a big investor into this project because I think they have huge upside potential. Their market cap is around 8 million right now. I bought it when the market was around 2-3 million, so I already 3x'd my investment, and now I'm waiting for higher price target. We're just hitting all-time highs every day on this project, so quite bullish on it as well. I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.